Tired of messy spreadsheets and chasing down payments? Clockify can help streamline your freelance billing process, so let's dive into how to create professional invoices directly within Clockify. First, make sure you've accurately tracked your time in Clockify, assigning it to the correct projects and tasks. This tracked time is the foundation of your invoice, ensuring accurate billing. Next, navigate to the Invoices section in the left-hand menu. Click on New Invoice to begin creating your invoice. Here, you'll see a blank invoice form. Start by filling in your client's details, including their name, address, and any other relevant contact information. Then, add your own business information, ensuring your logo and contact details are clearly displayed for a professional touch. Now, for the exciting part, importing your track time. Click on the Add Time Entries button. You can filter by project, date range, or specific tasks to easily select the time you want to bill for. Once selected, Clockify automatically calculates the total billable hours and amount based on your hourly rate. Review each entry carefully to ensure accuracy. You can also add any additional expenses or fees, such as travel costs or material expenses. Finally, customize your invoice by adding a personalized message to your client, specifying payment terms, and choosing a professional template that aligns with your branding. Click on Preview, and then, if you're happy with the result, click Send. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional and accurate freelance invoice with Clockify. By using Clockify to track your time and generate invoices, you can ensure timely and efficient payments, keeping your freelance business running smoothly.